Hi, this is a PC that has problem with signing. It says we can't sign in to your account. So sign in problem. So I'm going to show you how this kind of problem can be fixed. So first step is to restart the PC up to 5 times and see if it's going to solve the problem. But if the problem remain unfixed, is to proceed to next step. So I'm going to show you the next step shortly if this doesn't solve the problem. So I've signed out and I'm signing back in and see if it's going to fix it. So the problem persists. While on the side note, there's a way you can access the hidden files. Yeah, just open folder, that is File Explorer. Next, go to this PC, then local DC. Then next is user. You click on user. Then next is to go to the user. Yeah, that is hidden. All right. So from there, you'll be able to go to documents, go to desktops, download. You'll be able to see all the hidden files. So you can decide if you want to copy the contents out from there so that your files will be saved. So you can do that. So next is to go to the second step. Second step simply is to restore the PC to an earlier time before the problem started. Yeah. And to launch that, that is run dialog box, then RSTRUI. Yeah. So, and you basically follow the prompt. Okay. So if you see that I clicked on that, I checked on that box in order to give me other options available. So you can do that if you don't see anything or you only see one. All right. So this is me. I've clicked on an earlier time before the problem started. Yeah. So after the restore point finished successfully, the problem will be fixed. All right. Meanwhile, it took a lot on like this. The restore point took 20 minutes. Yeah. And look at it here. Problem has been fixed. So with this, this problem has been fixed. I believe if you are confronted with this kind of problem, you should be able to have it fixed as I did with mine. And if maybe perhaps you are watching this video and you don't have this kind of problem, you see the importance of restore points. So you can check my video and see how you can activate restore points so that if anything happens to your PC, you can always have something to revert to so that it's going to save your PC. All right, so that is it. So I've shut down. I'm going to turn the PC back on and see if the problem has really been fixed. Obviously, it has been fixed before I shut down. All right, so let's see. All right, see, you see difference. So the wallpaper is back, everything is back. Yeah, and here's the desktop area. That is all.